21-mile climb that I hate every year.
Why do you keep coming back?
I don't know. Personal challenge, I guess.
This is George about to summit the climb before the drop down into Kelso. He has about a mile before an 11-mile descent. Jaguar? Car up. Whoa. Fast car up. Life flashing before our eyes.
So this is a completely different fire wave than years past because I've never seen any of this stuff in the daytime. It's all been pitch black. I don't even know if that's the climb. You can see the lights, but it's daytime, so I don't even know when to climb.
I was just telling them that. I said it was great when we did Granite Pass and Sheeple Summit last year. You had lots of people to gobble up.
Yeah, Pac-Man. So this is cool. I mean, you know, I've never seen any of this stuff in the daytime.
And it's 1:17.
Yeah.
It's really daytime.
Yeah.
Then do it. Oh, the look back. The dancing on the pedals. Are you turning the pedals in anger? Are you in a spot of bother? Yes, yeah. Are you dragging your carcass all over your machine